Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today I was tracing this outline of a house for somebody, and really before I finished tracing it, I realized the house wasn't level. It's a JPEG. The JPEG wasn't level. So I'm going to take my 2-point line, and I'm going to get about where I think the corner is. I'm holding down my control button. Sometimes Corel do that, just back up and start over. I'm going to draw a parallel line inside of Corel Draw. And actually for the video, I made the 1 degree or half a degree more so you could see it on the video. But so you've got a straight parallel line inside of Corel Draw. To repair that, to rotate this picture, is just to double click on it, take your rotation skew, and it's going to snap to that line if you have snap to object on. So we've got a rotation now right on that line, and we're going to see there's that half I changed it. So let's rotate it to 360. And it's back exactly where you want it. So that's a good start. You need to start with a level playing field, and I'm going to show you why. Because if you trace this manually, and if you started right here with your 2-point line, holding down your, there goes Corel again, hold down your control button, and get it about that line, take another line, you actually have to start moving before, so Corel, because you're holding down the control button, and then just start moving again and move it down. So we're a lot better off in closeness. We're a little bit off on this side, but that can easily be nudged over. And to do that, we'll just zoom in here, and we're going to make sure our nudge factor is on 0.001. We're going to get our shape tool, and we're going to select those two nodes. And just with the left arrow click, I'm minutely moving it over. That one's a little bit off, but the picture might not be perfectly square anyway. And I'm actually going to make a second video on how you could align these two nodes. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.